Okay, I wanted to show you some Spotify tricks. For this example, I'm using the band Waves. I'm using their artist page. The artist page is divided into two sections, albums and singles and EPs. And depending on which section that you're in, it will dictate which part of the discography you'll see when you click the See Discography tab. So I'm in albums right now, and when I click See Discography, it'll just show me the albums. If I was to do the same thing next to EPs and singles, that would be the only part of the discography I'd see. For some reason, there's no way to see the whole thing at once, in order at least, because that would make too much sense. The next thing that you want to know about is the Discovered On section is my favorite, and it features official Spotify playlists and user ones. So for example, this would be an official Spotify playlist, and it has a bunch of different artists. And it also has, of course, user-generated ones, which I like better. So here's a user-generated one. And you can tell because it doesn't say Spotify on it. Let's see, what else was I gonna say? Oh, so let's say you find an artist that you like on a playlist. Oh, and before I say anything about that, let me just mention there's the artist playlist section, which includes the songs, a playlist of songs curated by an artist. It can be anything that they choose. It can be artists, that they like, or just themselves. In this case, they just used their own songs. But anyway, then the next thing you want to know is that if you find a band you like on a playlist, so let's say I go over here and I decide that I like this band, Death Blends. If I want to see stuff that's like this band, I would scroll down on their artist page, and again I would see Discovered On, and it has different playlists. So just keep going to the different artist pages and you'll find different playlists. There's even like ones generated from other algorithm-based music sites, and this one has the sound of indie garage rock, and that's pretty cool. Let's see. I keep saying let's see, but there was one other thing I was gonna show you. Crap, I can't even remember what it was. I'll try and think of it. I don't know. That's the basic thing for right now. If there's anything else that I can think of, I'll let you know. Oh, oops. Okay, I wanted to show you something else. So, there's different users that I follow to find music. One user I follow is this archival record label called Numerogroup. And if you go to their profile, they have playlists of all sorts, like disco, punk, funk, R&B, whatever. And their whole objective is to release compilations of lesser known artists in certain genres. And you can pretty much find any type of music that you want. So let's see. There's a soul playlist, but if you go back, you can see there's all sorts of genres like funk, soul, disco, punk, and indie. But anyway, that's a really good follow. Another really good one is the supergroup. And the supergroup is actually this music supervision company, and they are in charge of like putting music in commercials, TV shows, and movies. So they have a Spotify account of their own, and they have lots of really good playlists as well. So you type the supergroup, and you see down here, you go here, and they have different playlists. Just all sorts of different music, like a lot of older stuff that I enjoy. But anyway, I think that's a good start for now. Bye.